Hey guys, this is review for Fermerry 22 AWG wire spool. The review gonna have two parts. First, I'm gonna give you an open box review and also show how to set it up in the box. The second, I'm gonna give you a live demo on how to make a jumping wire for your breadboard. So let's open the box. This is the fresh new. Open the box, you see the different color of spool, some plastic jacket. Let's open this. This is the red color 22 AWG. And that's all included in the box. 6 spool, plastic jacket. So let's open it up. Let's set it up. So start from the black color and get some part of the wires through the little hole on side of the box. And let's keep doing for all the other 5. And that's how you set it up. But the problem is all the spool rotate freely. So you gotta put all the jacket back to the box. Now all the wire, you get a friction, it becomes stable, not a free move. Let's cut some portion of the wire, and you can see it's very flexible because it's coated by silicone. It's a silicone jacket. There's a two different type of jacket, silicone and PVC. Please go with silicone. It has much better quality. You can see all the strand very fine. That's how make this wire so flexible. And now I'm gonna give you a demo on how to make it a jumping wire. The problem I have is all the standard jumping wire I bought it online is a PVC jacket. It's very stiff. I want to make my own better quality jumping wire through the silicone coated. First, using stripping tool to expose the wire, and then just twist it. You're gonna do the same way for the other end, and then you need those male connector. Let's put it out. You can see how this male connector, it's gonna have the wire holder. So put the wire through the holder. Make sure the silicone jacket touching the holder. Now we're gonna using the crimping tool and just crimping twice. The first starting from the bottom, and then we can move to the head of the pin. Now it's done. We need to put a plastic housing. Make sure the window from the top side, and then using the pillar to put it out. You make one end with a crimping connector. Let's do the same way to the others. Put it out. That's how you make your own jumping wire. It's much better quality because the silicone jacket, a lot of flexible. Let's test it. It's also very good quality, no problem to get through the board. Overall, I really like this wire spool, 6 color, high quality silicone jacket, 5-star from me. Thank you.